I'm one of the clients ni Patrick sa business niya wherein ino-automate niya yung response or reply niya doon sa niraran kong Facebook ads. By the way, I'm an insurance advisor and malaking tulong na nai-offer na service sa akin ni Patrick. Kasi nga naman, minsan talaga, sa sobrang busy mo, natutulog ka, nagka-client meeting ka, and if you are running on ads, tapos mayroong nag-inquire na customer or potential clients, at hindi mo siya na-replyan agad, there's a chance na talagang mamimiss mo yung opportunity. Because there's a client na talagang naghahanap ng mabilis na response. And having an automation system na ino-offer or yung service ni Patrick, it's a good idea. Kasi nga naman, if late ka lang ng response with these clients na talagang ready na to buy, ang hinahantay na lang nila yung talagang pinakauna or mabilis na magre-reply. If you miss replying quickly with them, you will lose an opportunity. That's why, if you are an insurance advisor like me or a business owner na having hard time to reply on time with your customers or potential clients, I highly recommend na magkaroon talaga tayo ng system kung saan ma-automate natin yung pagre-reply, pagbubook ng appointment with these potential clients or customers. And sobrang matutulungan tayo dito ni Patrick.